Just for a second is Meowingtons. Let's go back to that for a sec. So you guys won't believe this, but Meowingtons is it the number one download for an emoji?
Yeah, I was like 2 billion or
2.2 billion downloads for Milton the cat. You know Milton, even if you don't know the name, you've seen Milton. He's everywhere. And this idea that came up, that you built this content around this daily drawing and having an animation person or a cartoon animator as part of the full-time staff was genius, because people, 1 million legit followers. Imagine what that can do for your company. You know, a lot of times you want to just throw it up on Amazon and you want to just grab sales. Well, you're only grabbing a small portion of what could be. If you think outside the box and do some other things, man, you can double, triple, quadruple, 10 times your sales. And also, we're going to get to this in a second, going off of Amazon. I know a lot of people don't necessarily want to go off of Amazon. It's a little scary to some. Some people say never do it. And we're going to dive into that in a second. However, before we get into that, does anybody have any questions?